I'm pretty sure na naghahabol ka ng gift for this Christmas and most likely, you're a ninong or a ninang na naghahabol ng gift para sa iyong inaanak. Well, at least be proud, nag-research ka at hindi ka nagtatago sa inyong mga inaanak. Merry Christmas po! In today's video, may share sa inyo some good finds na nakita ko na pwede kong i-recommend sa inyo para this Christmas, pang regalo, pang sa sarili mo, or for better improvement for next 2026. Depende kung paano mo siya gagamitin, no? So tara, pag-usapan natin. Now, if you're looking for smartphone recommendation for this Christmas season, marami na ginawang recommendation videos dito sa ating channel. Mga budget smartphone below 5K, below 10K, below 20K, upper mid-range, flagship, gaming phone, tablets, and content creation gadgets. Lahat yan nandito sa channel natin. Just search for it. Well, technically, today's video is still gadgets pero hindi smartphone, hindi tablet, hindi laptop, but more of yung mga accessories naman tayo. And I have here two devices from Moft. Pwede mo siyang gamitin as tripod stand pang yung smartphone na may MagSafe, lalo pang iPhone. Perfect na perfect siya. This is a snap phone stand plus wallet. Basically, this would act as a credit card holder sa likod ng iyong smartphone, like this one. Kabit mo lang dito sa likod and you'll pull this one out as a stand. Makapit yung kanyang magnet, no? So you have to give a little extra effort pag pull niya. And pag ginawa mo siyang tripod stand, ganito lang siya. Diba? I mean, meron ka ng instant tripod stand dito sa inyong table. No? So you don't have to bring out yun normal na tripod stand na which is bulky. Ito parang may ano ka lang, no? Pwede mo ilagay lang dito yung credit card mo which is going to be very handy anytime you want. Or pwede mo ilagay na driver's license mo kung kailangan mo. Pero guys, take note na pwede nyo gamitin ang digital copy ng yung LTO driver's license. Just check lto.gov.ph for more info. This is just a public service. Ito naman is the Snap Invisible Phone Tripod Stand which is also another very good invention ni Moft. No? Pull out na natin, no? Sabi niya. Para makita mo instruction how to use it. Ganda na kanyang design na. I like it. Pull out mo lang siya. Then, pwede mo siyang gawing tripod stand. Na pwede mo siya tayo ng ganito, no? Imagine mo, it's just another good na tripod stand na meron mo on your table. Medyo mas elevated siya na tripod stand. So, if you want, pwede mo siya angle depende sa gusto mo. Ganito. And you can even take food shots or whatever product shots, no? Pag naka-ganon lang siya, no? Kasi medyo elevated siya. So, you have enough room to take mga photos, mga videos na parang tabletop na tripod lang. Ayos, di ba? Very handy, very nifty. Pag di mo na siya kailangan, just fold it and just snap it away just like this. Parang meron ka na namang wallet sa likod except that hindi lang siya nakalagay na credit card. Just some cool finds from Moft. By the way guys, itong dalawang product ni Moft is just priced at around 1,100 pesos and you can easily check it out sa Lazada and I'll post the link on the description or just simply click yung YouTube shopping para madirect kayo diretso sa Lazada. Now, next on my list is this one, si Creative na Live Cam 4K Edition. Ganda na ito guys, no? You can record up to 4K and 30 FPS. Meron siya microphone and 360 na rin siya. Pwede siya mag-swivel and it can record up to 95 degrees na angle. Wide angle siya. Meron na rin siya dual microphone dito na naka-install and meron din siya noise cancelling din. And this is probably one of the first one na may 4K UHD na webcam na may backlight compensation. Meaning mas liliwanag yung backlight if madilim ang iyong area. Ang liit na lang guys, so tignan nyo. Look at this product. Very lightweight. Pwede mo mount sa monitor mo, pwede mount sa flat na table, or you can mount on a tripod depende sa gusto mo. And what's nice is meron pa siyang cap, no? Pang takip dito. Kasi yung privacy natin really matters. Hindi natin alam kung kailan nag-record at kailan hindi nag-record. So better to cover this one up kung hindi mo siya ginagamit. And very universal compatible naman siya. It's just a port na USB. You can put it to your desktop, your laptop. It's just simply plug and play. Ito yung kanyang backlit button which you can use para kung medyo madilim yung background, you can always brighten it up. And this is a on-off ng iyong microphone para hindi marinig yung pinagsasabi mo when you're off cam. Now, you can always record mga videos mo like gusto mo record on OBS, you can always plug this one in and do your regular recording. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng mga mamahalin ng camera just to record a 4K video. Perfect na perfect tong Creative na live camera 4K and it is priced at around mga 3,000 something pesos. I'll share the link on the description. Ito, next on my list is a gaming keyboard. Si Onikuma na gaming keyboard. Ang model niya is G80. What I like dito sa kanya is very affordable siya at just 1,000 something pesos sa Lazada which you can easily check out if mahilig sa gaming or yung inaanak or mahilig ka mismo sa gaming, perfect na investment to. What I like dito sa kanya is tatlong ways you can connect to your device You can use Bluetooth, you can use Type-C na cable papunta yung PC, or you can use yung dongle na supplied niya. Tahimik naman ka ng keyboard and definitely you love typing on this one. Hindi siya maingay na mechanical keyboard. Meron pa siyang display dito and you can customize it depending sa gusto mo. And kung medyo kulang sa inyong elevation, you can always elevate it a little bit more dito sa likod. I like yung kanang color. Chill lang siya na white and yellow na combination. Plus yung kanang color na grayish green is looking quite good. Simple lang siya and yet very elegant tingnan as a mechanical keyboard. Kahit hindi ka gamer, this is definitely a good keyboard to invest on. Check nyo na yung link on the description kung gusto nyo bumili. And finally, ang recommendation ko is a smartwatch. Itong Amazfit na T-Rex 3 Pro na 48mm na watch dial. And I've been wearing this watch already for quite a few days already and sobrang okay siya. Lightweight siya and I like yung kanyang ruggedness. Mukha siyang G-Shock na smartwatch ang datingan. And this is made out of titanium so medyo lightweight nga talaga siya. Perfect na perfect siya if you're wearing it for sports. Okay na okay siya. And it has a lot of modes na pwede mo pipilian dito. Now, habang in-explore ko to, lalo ako natutuwa dito sa kanya. Ang ganda ng kanyang LED display. It's very bright. Kahit under the direct sunlight, perfect siyang gamitin. You won't even miss a bit dito sa kanya. Another thing na gusto ko dito sa kanya is meron siya flashlight na built-in dito. Pwede mo siya calibrate to brighter or pwede mo siyang gawing pula. Pwede mo lang change yung ilaw, no? Which is cool. Another cool feature dito sa kanya is sapphire glass nga pala siya. It's very scratch resistant and sabi ni Amazfit, this one can withstand heavy scratches. Paldong-paldo din kanyang battery which can withstand you up to 2 to 3 weeks na battery life. Depende sa iyong usage ha. And ito kanyang frame is made out of high-strength grade na titanium. So, expect mo na sobrang tibay nito. Meron din siya built-in mic dito which is malakas din pag nagpapatugtog ka ng music. Meron din siya mga downloadable maps dito sa kanya if you're mountaineering out there or hiking, okay na okay din siyang gamitin. And of course, may compass din siya built-in. And it has over 180 na sports mode which pwede mong pagpilian kahit skiing and yung mga hindi mo ma-imagine na sports, nandito. Well, except esports. And by the way, meron siyang 10 ATM na water resistance so you can use this for scuba diving. And kahit yung mga swimming lang sa swimming pool, walang problema. Kahit hindi mo natanggal itong watch mo, walang problema. And itong flagship na smartwatch, si Amazfit na T-Rex 3 Pro, ang presyo na is 26,000 pesos. Ay mabibili mo just around mga 22,000 pesos during 12/12 sale. So guys, nakita niyo na yung mga recommendation natin for this 12/12 sale. So if you're interested to buy this stuff or pang regalo mo or pang sarili mo, click the link on the description or just simply click yung link na biglang lilitaw sa inyong screen para ma-route kayo sa Lazada. Siyempre, of course, in-encourage kayo to like, subscribe dito sa akin channel so you don't miss out on the good stuff that I recommend here sa aking channel. So paano, hanggang dito muna ako and I'll see you on my next video. Merry Christmas. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.